Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's RonTrades, and we're back here with another trading video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be telling you guys how I study ICT content, how I studied for this whole year, and things I learned and what videos I watched. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. First off, guys, thanks for the 1K subscribers. It means a lot. Thank you guys for following my journey. So let's go ahead and get right to the video. So the first thing we're going to talk about, guys, is the videos that I watch for ICT. You guys can see right here in the top right, I got my ICT study content. Now these videos here are not specific, but these are the best videos that I feel like if you are new to ICT, or if you're just struggling to understand what videos to watch, you know, what order to watch the videos in, I feel like this works for me, and this did work for me. So hopefully it worked for you guys. So the first video that I started off with ICT was the OTE series. I literally only traded OTE entries for about 3 to 4 months. So I studied this only video here, this series of OTEs for about 3 to 4 months. I got real comfortable with reading OTE entries and things like that. Then after I graduated from OTE entries and learning how to read that, I started to learn more about the market maker series. I went through all 4 of those videos. I didn't go through those as in depth as I did with the OTE series, but I did learn a lot from the market maker series, the market maker sell model, market maker buy model. I did learn those from this market maker series, obviously. And third was my key to daily buys. This is one of my best videos from ICT, is learning how to get the daily buys, learning how to read the daily buys, learning to understand what direction that daily chart is moving in, learning how to do analysis on the daily time frame, and then translate that to the 15-minute 1-hour time frame for intraday trading. The fourth video that I watched is going to be the liquidity purge and revert video. This video here specifically taught me about when price is running liquidity, what to look for after that. Pretty much is, you know, when price runs liquidity, look for a market structure shift, or look for price to rebalance itself back down for so let's say a price ran buy side liquidity, now look for price to, you know, change directions and go for sell side liquidity. So that video here, liquidity purge and revert, taught me that. And the last video that has really made me create my model and really got my model with a lot of confidence going into 2023 is going to be the 2022 mentorship video 12, specifically market structure shift video. Now this video here is a video that a lot of people did not watch. A lot of people skipped over this video because it was pretty much too technical. I'm gonna be honest, guys, the first time I watched this video, I couldn't grasp what he was saying, so I clicked off. But about 2 months, I came back to this video and I really started to, you know, take notes on it, back test it, practice it, look for it every single day. And then, as you know, guys, as time moved on, this 2022 mentorship video is literally my model. So I look for market structure shift, I look for immediate term highs and short term lows to get taken out, things like that. So this is going to be my ICT study content right here, guys. So once again, OTE series, the first video I watch. Second video is going to be market maker series. Third video is going to be key to daily buys. Fourth video is going to be liquidity purge and revert. And the fifth video is going to be the 2022 mentorship video 12, specifically market structure shift video. So let's go ahead and get into my sell model. I'm going to be just breaking down what I look for, how I come to my charts, keeping this thing real simple. I don't want this video to be too long. So coming into a sell model, so let's say we're coming into a bearish order flow day. So when you see right here, my trade checkoff here is I must first determine what is order flow. Are we bearish for the day? Are we bullish for the day? And I get my order flow from where? Daily time frame. So I mix the order flow in the key to daily buys video. That's going to be a match there. So that's how I get my my bias from that daily time frame only. I'm not looking at the hourly, I'm not looking at the 15-minute, I'm looking at the daily time frame to get my bias. So order flow on a daily is going to be bearish. For this sell model here, the order flow is going to be bearish. So if I'm coming into a bearish day, I've already did my daily time frame. I want to see what first? I want to see liquidity purge. I want to see us taking out buy side liquidity continuously. So right here on my sell model, this is gonna be my you know, let's say if this is just a perfect model or a perfect trade setup, this is exactly how it would look. So first we're gonna have price taking out what? Buy side liquidity here off this high. Then we're gonna have price again taking out buy side liquidity off this high. So buy side liquidity has now been taken. So now only thing we do now is wait for what? After we get liquidity taken out, we clearly see liquidity taken. What do we wait for? MS shift. And where did I get MS shift from? 2022 mentorship video. So you see how my trade checkout is literally adding up. It's literally adding up with my ICT study content. So once again, look, order flow, daily time frame is bearish. Liquidity has liquidity been purged? Yes, we took out these two highs here, taking out buy side liquidity. Now we simply wait for what? Market structure shift. Well, where is that at? Right here. So this light bulb here, we had a basically, so let's say right here we had an imbalance here off this candle here. Let's say if these were candlesticks here, we had an imbalance here that got rebalanced, right? So we came down, we ran up here, rebalanced, and we made another high. So if we are AKA bearish, why are we coming down and taking out this low right here? We should leave this and continue to keep going up higher. But did we do this? No. We had price come down, imbalance here. We had price come down with consistently down closed candles, taking out what? An imbalance that got rebalanced. Our order flow is already bearish, so we want to see that. Liquidity has already been taken, so we want to see that. So the moment we take out this low here, market structure shift. After the market structure shift, it's simple. We wait for what? An OB or a fair value gap entry to be presented. Now, where did I get the OB and fair value gap entry from? The OTE series and the market maker series. Price comes back up inside of what? You could call this a fair value gap. Pricing come inside of an imbalance. Pricing come into an OTE. You could OTE from here with your field, right? From this high to this low. You could say 50% was right there. Boom, OTE. You could have used an order block. Or order block concept theory. Order block here, last down closed candle here, consistent up closed candles, displacement, market structure shift, price comes back to the last down closed candle, up closed candle, take that sell here, and then you target sell side liquidity. So it's going to be my sell model there, guys. Once again, basically a quick summary on my sell model. I identify order flow, which is I've already said, hey, we're bearish on daily time frame. So now I look for liquidity to be purged. We took out buy side liquidity here off these two highs here. Once again, I'm going to circle them. Here, buy side liquidity. Here, buy side liquidity. So buy side liquidity has been taken. What do we wait for now? Market structure shift. Where is that at? Right here. You guys want to be technical. Right here. Imbalance. They got a rebalance. And we moved away. Once we come back and break that, market structure shift. After market structure shift, order block entry, fair value gap entry, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it, whatever makes you happy here. But after that market structure shift, I wait for price to rebalance itself to a PDA rate. Whatever you want to call it. Like I say, you can call that. Like I said, we all call things different, guys. Order block, fair value gap, imbalances, OTE. You know, you got so much things to enter off of. Just take the entry. After price has a market structure shift, and it rebalances itself, I'm taking that entry. So that's gonna be my sell model right here, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and go to my buy model real quick. Like I say, I'm straight to the point, guys. I want to make this video too long when it doesn't have to be, right? So go ahead and go to my buy model. Same thing as a sell model, guys. Go ahead and go to my buy model right here. So buy model is obviously going to be the inverse of the sell model. I want to see sell side taken out and then we rebalance and go for buy side. So let's go ahead and say right here on a perfect day, hey, the daily time frame order flow is bullish. The daily time frame is telling us that we can go higher. So my order flow is now going to be bullish. My daily bias is bullish. So after I identify my daily bias, what do I do now? I wait for liquidity to be purged. Well, where is liquidity going to be purged at? Right here. Let's say right here we had a low form here. People bought right here is going to have sell side liquidity. So price right here rallies down, comes back up and then rebalance. So right here we had an imbalance that got rebalanced, right? Imbalance right here, they got rebalanced, took sell side liquidity. So we dropped down here, took sell side liquidity, we activated sell stops here. After that, we simply wait for price to have a market structure shift. Price, like I say, guys, so we rallied down, we rebalance here. So if we are bearish, we should not come back up and take this out. If we make a run down and we rebalance, we're going to continue to keep going down if we're bearish, right? Price is going to respect bearish price action. But in this instance here, we had a run down here, a rebalance, sell side liquidity drop, and we had a market structure shift. Where's the market structure shift at? Here. Imbalance, they got rebalance. We should not take this out if we are bearish. Price goes down, takes out sell side liquidity, rebalances itself, takes this out, market structure shift. We're already anticipating this. Keep in mind, guys, I know this sounds very hindsight and things like that, but keep in mind, when I'm trading market structure shift in my model, I'm already anticipating for price to go ahead and run this short-term high. So once this short-term high is taken out, it's going to cause a market structure shift. What do we do after market structure shift? We wait for what? An OB or a fair value gap entry to present itself. Market structure shift, we do not buy up here. I'm not buying here. I'm not going to buy the moment price takes this out. Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's go back here. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. So like I say, I'm not buying as price runs up here. I'm not going to buy here. I'm going to wait for price to pull back and give me a nice discount entry here. Where are we discounting at? Fair value gap, order block. You could, you want to trade support and resistance here. You can do that. A support level, whatever you want to call it, whatever makes you feel happy about yourself. And we take that entry and we go from there. So let me try to get my screen back right. So yeah, like I say, guys, we had a market structure shift, pull back to our fair value gap or order block entry, and then we rally up for what? Buy side liquidity. All right. So yeah, guys, that's really my model. That's really how I study ICT content. I'm like I say, guys, I'm really straight to the point. I don't overcomplicate this thing. Almost like I say, these are the videos that I watch every single day or every single week. I don't change up the videos because these videos here fit my personality. These videos here help me see the market in a good way that fits me. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be that's how I study ICT, and I literally just gave you guys my model going into 2023. Like I say, this is how I look at the market. This is how I'm always going to look at the market because this works for me and I like the way that this model works out. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys. I know it's very quick and straight to the point, but that's how I am, guys. I'm very straight to the point. I'm not trying to get up here and talk a lot, guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys once again for the 1K subscribers, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.